So now we will continue this part. So we have drawn the plan and we have drawn these elevations. So now we have kept the opening for the kitchen. So now we will add some doors and windows. So you can draw manually. So here we gonna have the main entrance. So I'm taking the line command. So from here I'm taking 1 feet and I'm joining here, enter. So after that I'm taking the offset, click on 4 feet from here. So this is my main door. So for this, so my doors will be 4 feet long. So for that, go to line, click on this, select to 4 feet, enter and enter. So this is my 4 feet door. We can represent like this, or we can represent by some here. So I am taking a line command. So here I am taking this as 4 inches chord for our door and 4 inches and this side. So I need to trim this. So we will delete this part. So we will do the copy of this, or we can do a mirror. So for that, mi enter. So select the object, on enter. So click on no and yes. So we can draw here, click on the line, take this toward 4 inches and 4 inches and this side. So this is my opening. So like that only we will add some openings here for our bedrooms. So we will take the line, so from here I am taking 4 feet, enter and close. So this will be opening now. So we have to pick the arc, first point, F8, second point, so and this will be our arc. So trim, double enter, trim this. So this is the main door. So now we will add here, taking here, go to offset, O enter, 3 feet 6 inches, go here and select here. And for this also we will provide the same length here of offset, on OK and no. So now we will take, for this we are going to take 2 inches hinges. Take as 2 inches, 2 inches and 2 inches. So for this also click on line command, go to here, upward 2 inches and 2 inches and join over here. So now again for this also, so we can copy this because it's same only. So click on CO, enter, CO, enter, select this one and this object too, click on right click. Now select this point and select again this point, so the objects are copied. So now we will trim this part. And into this, so this will be our door opening. So here we're going to take length, this as 3 feet 6 inches. So we're going to take, so here we have these many arcs, start, center and end. So start, end, center. So this is the start, end direction. So I'm going to take this first point and this is second point. So I'm going to take 12. So again we need to copy this. Copy this one and select this point. Now copy over here. Click on escape. You see our doors have been opened. So but here this door should be this side, so go to rotate, or you can select mirror, select this one, enter, select this one, click on Y, yes. So it will be erased. Now click on move, select this command, select this point and move over here. So see, it has done. So our doors placement is done. The windows. So for that, take the line along this door, so again now go to offset, go enter. So we're gonna take 3 feet. Now select this one and paste here. So we have got the offsets. So now again we have to add all other windows. So we are going to take only 3 feet this side and 4 feet for this side. So I'm going to take L, click over here, enter. So I'm going to take offset. We will take this. We'll take it as 3 feet 6 inches one. So we are done here. So we will do the windows and we will copy this. So click on line command. So select the center line, click on F8. So the ortho will be opened. On escape and again click on enter. Select this line and draw it to center line. Click on OK. So now we will do some murmurings for this. So go to offset, click on 1 inch. So I'm going to take offset for these two sides. So now we will copy these windows. For that, copy this one, and this one. Now select this point, click on F8 so that we can place wherever we want. So I'm gonna place here for the kitchen. And for here too. So after that I will copy this another window over here. So click on right click, select one point, select one reference point and select over here and here. So we are done with the windows. So this is how we can give the doors and windows. So just done. So we have you observed, I have done some mistakes. So what? So we have forgotten to change the layers. So for that, select our objects. Select all the objects of windows. So you should not forget anything, okay? So I did not took it because to saying you so that you can remember very well. So now go to this one and select Windows. On escape. So see how Windows has been done. So now we will select our doors. And select these doors on doors. So the doors has been changed. So you can change the colors afterwards also. So our designing has been done. So we haven't trimmed this one. So we go to TRM, double enter and trim this part. So this one also. So after that we will do some text part. So go to text. So this is single line text I am taking. So we will arrange a gate here for the select the line. So I am taking here parallel to this one. Connect it so that it comes along right angle. So now I am taking the offset, go enter. So I am taking a gate of 10 feet width. Enter. Now select this line and select over here. So now we will add some like pillars. So I'm taking as which has 9 inches and over here. So and this also taking the line, or we can take the offset. Count 9 inches. So it has done. So now we have to provide some center line. Click on enter. So this will be my gate. So I'm going to trim this. Take the line, join over here and take the line. So or else you can do the fillet or chamfer. So I'm mentioning like the gate. So for this we don't require this now, delete. So this will be my gate. So this is how we can design a plan. We can draw here tables,